Imagine stepping into your backyard. Instead of looking at your neighbor's fence, you're surrounded by a lush wall of green. Birds are singing. The wind gently moves the leaves. And for the first time, your backyard feels completely private. The best part? You don't need years to create this. Some privacy plants grow surprisingly fast, but choosing the wrong one can leave you with endless maintenance, weak coverage, or even invasive rue. Now that we've set the stage, let's begin our countdown. Starting with number 10. Number 10. Emerald Green Arborvitae. If you're looking for a privacy tree that's elegant, compact, and incredibly easy to maintain, the Emerald Green Arborvitae deserves a place on your list. Unlike many fast-growing trees that quickly become difficult to control, this evergreen keeps a naturally narrow shape. That makes it a perfect option for homeowners with smaller backyards or properties where every foot of space matters. Throughout the year, its dense emerald green foliage stays vibrant, even during winter, providing consistent privacy in every season. While it doesn't grow as aggressively as some of the larger trees on today's list, it typically adds around 1 to 2 feet of growth each year under good conditions. That slower pace comes with an important advantage. Its compact structure means less pruning, less cleanup, and a much cleaner appearance over time. Another reason homeowners love this tree is its versatility. Whether planted along a fence, beside a driveway, or around a patio, it creates a living green wall that feels both elegant and natural. It also tolerates cold winters surprisingly well, making it an excellent choice across much of the United States. If your goal is a beautiful, low-maintenance privacy screen that won't take over your yard, the Emerald Green Arborvitae is one of the safest choices you can make. Now let's move on to number 9. Number 9. American Holly privacy doesn't always have to come from plain green leaves. Sometimes it can come with a little extra character. The American Holly has been admired for centuries thanks to its glossy evergreen leaves and vibrant red berries. But beyond its beautiful appearance, it's also an outstanding privacy tree. Its naturally dense branching creates an effective visual barrier while remaining attractive throughout every season. During winter, when many deciduous trees lose all their leaves, the American Holly continues providing year-round coverage. It also attracts songbirds, bringing more wildlife into your backyard without sacrificing privacy. As it matures, this tree can reach heights between 15 and 30 feet, depending on growing conditions and pruning. It grows at a moderate pace, but its dense foliage often makes it feel fuller much sooner than many faster-growing species. One thing to remember is that its leaves have sharp edges. That may sound like a disadvantage, but it can actually discourage unwanted visitors from cutting through your hedge. For homeowners looking for a combination of beauty, wildlife, and dependable privacy, the American Holly remains one of the best long-term investments. And now, it's time for number 8. Number 8. Cherry Laurel. Imagine creating a privacy wall that's not only dense, but also looks polished enough for a luxury home. That's exactly why so many landscapers recommend cherry laurel. Its broad, glossy leaves quickly form a thick green barrier capable of blocking unwanted views and even reducing outside noise. Unlike some privacy plants that become thin near the base, cherry laurel tends to stay full from top to bottom when properly maintained. That creates a much more complete privacy screen. Under favorable conditions, it can grow up to 2 feet each year, making it one of the faster-growing evergreen shrubs available. It also adapts to a variety of soil types and tolerates both full sun and partial shade, giving homeowners much more flexibility when choosing where to plant it. One of its biggest strengths is how refined it looks. Instead of appearing wild or overgrown, cherry laurel naturally gives landscapes a clean, organized appearance. That's one reason it's commonly used around luxury homes, hotels, and upscale residential communities. If you're searching for a privacy hedge that combines speed, elegance, and dense coverage, cherry laurel is an excellent option. But the next plants on our list grow even faster. Number 7. Privet. Some privacy plants impress with their flowers. Others stand out because they grow incredibly fast. But privet has earned its reputation for a completely different reason: reliability. For decades, homeowners have trusted privet to create thick, formal hedges that offer excellent privacy while giving any property a clean and elegant appearance. Its dense branching responds extremely well to pruning, allowing you to shape it into almost any style you prefer. Whether you want a perfectly straight hedge or a softer, more natural look, privet adapts with ease. Under ideal conditions, it can grow between 2 and 3 feet each year, quickly filling empty spaces and creating a solid green barrier. Another major advantage is its ability to recover after trimming. Even if it's heavily pruned, new growth appears quickly, keeping the hedge full and healthy. However, regular maintenance is important. Without occasional pruning, privet can become untidy and lose its polished appearance. For homeowners who enjoy a neat landscape and don't mind a little seasonal maintenance, privet remains one of the most dependable privacy plants available. Now let's move on to number 6. Number 6, Leyland Cypress. If speed is your top priority, the Leyland Cypress is impossible to ignore. This evergreen has become one of the most widely planted privacy trees in North America for one simple reason: it grows incredibly fast. In ideal conditions, it can add 3 to 5 feet of new growth every single year. That means a small tree planted today can become an impressive privacy screen in just a few seasons. Its soft, feathery foliage forms a dense wall that blocks neighboring views, reduces wind, and even helps absorb outside noise. Because of its rapid growth, it's especially popular on larger properties where homeowners need privacy as quickly as possible. But with great speed comes greater responsibility. Leyland cypress requires enough space to mature properly, and proper spacing between trees is essential to avoid overcrowding in the future. When planted correctly, few trees can match its combination of height, density, and elegance. For large backyards, rural properties, or anyone looking for fast results, Leyland cypress remains one of the strongest choices available. Now it's time for number 5. Number 5, clumping bamboo. When most people hear the word bamboo, they immediately think of invasive roots spreading everywhere. But that's not always true. Clumping bamboo is completely different from the aggressive running varieties that many homeowners fear. Instead of spreading uncontrollably underground, it grows in compact clusters, making it far easier to manage. Its rapid vertical growth allows it to create an impressive natural privacy screen in a remarkably short period of time. Beyond privacy, it also brings a unique tropical atmosphere to any backyard. As the wind moves through the tall green canes, it creates a relaxing sound that many people associate with peaceful gardens and nature retreats. Clumping bamboo also works surprisingly well in modern landscaping designs, adding height and texture without overwhelming smaller spaces. As with any plant, choosing the correct species for your climate is essential. But when planted in the right conditions, few privacy plants grow as quickly while creating such a distinctive visual impact. And the top 4 plants on our list are even more impressive. Number 4, wax myrtle. Not every privacy plant needs to be tall and towering to make a big impact. The wax myrtle proves that beauty, versatility, and rapid growth can all exist in the same plant.
Native to the southeastern United States, this evergreen shrub has become a favorite among homeowners looking for a natural privacy screen that feels both elegant and effortless. Under the right conditions, wax myrtle can grow between 3 and 5 feet each year, quickly filling empty spaces with soft, dense foliage. Its leaves release a pleasant fragrance when gently brushed, adding another layer of enjoyment to your outdoor space. Unlike many privacy plants that demand constant attention, wax myrtle is surprisingly resilient. It tolerates poor soils, periods of drought once established, and even coastal environments where salt can damage more sensitive species. Another reason it's so popular is its ability to attract birds. Its small berries provide food for local wildlife, bringing more life and movement into your backyard throughout the seasons. Whether you're trying to block an unwanted view, soften the edges of your property, or simply create a greener landscape, Wax myrtle offers an excellent balance between speed, beauty, and durability. But now we're entering the top 3. These next plants are among the very best privacy trees you can grow. Number 3. Green Giant Arborvitae. If you ask professional landscapers to recommend one privacy tree that rarely disappoints, there's a good chance they'll mention the Green Giant Arborvitae. This tree has earned its reputation by combining incredible growth with exceptional reliability. Under ideal conditions, it can grow between 3 and 5 feet every year while maintaining a naturally dense pyramidal shape. Unlike many fast-growing trees, it rarely suffers from serious pest or disease problems. Its evergreen foliage remains rich and vibrant throughout every season, providing complete privacy all year long. One of its greatest strengths is adaptability. It performs well in a wide range of climates and tolerates both cold winters and hot summers better than many competing species. Because of its rapid growth and impressive mature height, Green Giant Arborvitae is often planted along property lines to create living green walls that can last for decades. With very little maintenance, homeowners gain beauty, shade, wind protection, and privacy all at the same time. It's easy to understand why this tree has become one of the most popular privacy plants in North America. But our top 2 choices offer something even more remarkable. Number 2. Hybrid Willow. What if you simply don't want to wait? That's where the hybrid willow completely changes the game. This remarkable tree is famous for one thing above all else: speed. Under ideal growing conditions, hybrid willow can grow as much as 6 to 10 feet in a single year. That level of growth is almost unbelievable. In just a few seasons, a young tree can become a towering natural privacy screen capable of transforming an entire property. Its dense canopy also provides generous shade, making outdoor spaces cooler during the summer months. Because of its fast growth, hybrid willow is often chosen for large properties, farms, and open landscapes where quick results are the main priority. However, this impressive speed comes with one important consideration. Its roots need room to develop, so it's best planted away from foundations, underground pipes, and septic systems. When given enough space, few trees can rival the dramatic transformation that hybrid willow delivers. And now, it's time for the number 1 privacy plant.
Number 1. Nellie R. Stevens Holly. When it comes to creating a fast-growing, beautiful, and dependable privacy screen, few plants can match the Nellie R. Stevens Holly. This evergreen has become one of the most trusted privacy trees for homeowners across the United States. Its dense, glossy green foliage provides year-round privacy while requiring surprisingly little maintenance. Under ideal conditions, it can grow between 2 and 3 feet every year, quickly forming an attractive living wall. One of its greatest advantages is its adaptability. It tolerates heat, cold, drought once established, and a wide variety of soil types. Unlike many fast-growing privacy plants, it naturally develops a full symmetrical shape without requiring constant pruning. In spring, small white flowers appear, followed by bright red berries that attract birds and add seasonal beauty to the landscape. Whether you're looking to block unwanted views, reduce street noise, or simply create a lush green backdrop, Nellie R. Stevens Holly delivers outstanding results year after year. That's why it earns our number 1 spot as one of the best fast-growing privacy plants you can grow. Final comparison. So what have we learned from these 10 privacy plants? Some grow slowly but offer long-term elegance and minimal maintenance. Others grow incredibly fast but require more space and planning. The best choice always depends on your specific goals. If you want low maintenance and year-round structure, evergreens like the emerald green arborvitae are ideal. If you want rapid coverage, options like leyland cypress or hybrid willow deliver unmatched speed. And if you want beauty combined with wildlife and natural texture, plants like American holly or wax myrtle stand out. There is no single perfect answer, but there is a perfect plant for every backyard. Conclusion: creating privacy in your backyard doesn't have to mean building expensive fences or waiting decades for trees to grow. With the right plant selection, you can transform your outdoor space into a private, peaceful environment in just a few seasons. Now the question is, which of these plants would you choose for your own backyard? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more nature and landscaping content like this. See you in the next one.